Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to withdraw from Coinbase. So in order to withdraw from Coinbase, all you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction that's guided. So if you're using a mobile device or an application, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So first of all, you'll have to sign in. So click the sign in button, enter in your credential, that could be either your phone number, email address, and then a password. As soon as you're done login into your account, it's going to take you to the home page, and that's going to look something like this. So in order to withdraw money from Coinbase, first of all, what you'll have to do is you have to tap the buy/sell button located from the top right hand side corner, and after that you'll have to tap the arrow icon located in the left hand side bar. Coinbase will load a box or a pop-up menu. So here you need to select sell, and after that you also need to specify the amount, and you have to select in what form you're selling and click the button that is located right at the bottom that says preview sell. Once you've done that, go ahead and click the button. As soon as you do that, it's going to take you to the other interface. So here you'll have to tap the icon located right in the corner. As you've done that, you'll need to select your asset. If you're sure about the asset, then click the particular asset and it's going to take you to the other interface. So here what you'll have to do is you need to go ahead and enter in the amount once again, or all you have to do is just confirm it and click on withdraw all, which is located right at the bottom. Now you have to select the destination, which means that where are you actually withdrawing. So select either one of it, and next page you have to review all of the information once again and click on confirm or withdraw now, which is located right at the bottom, and on the other interface there will be information such, so click the done button if you're sure about it. In this way you can withdraw from Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.